So here's our objectives. We're just working with basic signed numbers here, addition, subtraction. So procedures when two numbers have the same signs, you're going to add them up and keep the same sign. For example, -4 minus 3. Just to kind of model that, you're at -4 and you're subtracting 3. 1, 2, 3. So you end up at -7, right? -4 minus 3 is -7. Same sign, sum them up. When you have different signs, like one positive, one negative, so for example, -4 plus 3. Let me model that with a number line. -4, and we're adding 3. We're going up 3. Where do we end up at? -1. All right, if I'm in debt $4. I pay off $3. Well, I'm still in debt $1, right? Whereas if I'm in debt $4 and I go in more debt, -3, now I'm in debt $7, right? So same signs, sum them up. If you have different signs, find their difference, and you have more of whatever you have more of, right? So let's go ahead and practice a few here. -7 plus 3. So -7 plus 3 plus 3 would end up at -4. 6 plus 7, of course, would be 13. -3 plus a -9. I don't like two signs, so a positive times a negative is a negative, so I'm going to write that as -3 minus 9. So if I'm in the debt $3, I go in more debt, $9, and now I'm in debt $12, right? Positive times a negative here would be a negative, so 2 minus 12, different signs. I'm in debt $10. All right, let me have you guys do these right here, and as you try problems. Let me put you guys as work up. Oops, I'm not sure why that's showing up. It's not supposed to be. Come on, there we go. Come on, there we go. Oh. Just as a double check, so you guys have this in your lecture there. Positive times a negative is a negative, so that ends up being -10. Negative times a negative is a positive, so it's up being -4. Positive times a negative is a negative. Ends up being -24. And then we have 7 minus 5. And positive times a negative is -1. Negative times a negative is +1. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9. All right. Just a saying for if you're forgetting multiplying in positive and negative numbers, how I remember it is a good thing that happens to a good person is a good thing. A good thing that happens to a bad person is a bad thing. A bad thing that happens to a good person is a bad thing. And finally, my favorite, bad thing that happens to a bad person is a good thing. So negative times negative, positive, right? So anyways, haven't heard that. That's one way to think about those. Hopefully that helped. The temperature of a fluid's -10. Right, so part A, temperature of a fluid is -10. If it increases by 5, so what's the operation? If it increases by 5, what am I going to put? Go ahead and punch it into the chat there. If I'm -10, I increase by 5. Good. Okay, Valerie says plus. Good. Plus how much? Plus 5. So what is the resulting? What does it equal? Then you say -5. All right, let's do the next one here. Temperature of a fluid is -10. If it decreases, of course, we're going to subtract, right? If we decrease. So now I'm at -18. If I decrease from -10, right? All right, thanks for watching.